Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make website in Shopify. So simply in order to do this, just go to themes button, and after that just you can select the theme that you want to add to your website. So simply I have added this theme. Now after when you added this theme, so here you can see our theme is being loaded here. So just wait for a few seconds. So in order to create a website, so first of all just add the theme that you want to it. So this is the free version of theme. You can also purchase theme from Shopify. So simply here you can see this is the main page, and finally here you can add all the settings, like, and you change the fonts, images, you can add the headers, and all these options are available here. So here you can see our products. This you can also change it. Here are all the options available, like here image with text. So here you can also add the multiple section, and after that just when you added all these settings, so simply just you will click on the publish, and now after that click on the screen button. So in this way you can easily make website in Shopify. So it's depend upon you that how do you want to create your website. So Shopify provide fully assistant to make a website.